D flat minor. Alright, first I played a D flat minor 9 chord, D flat, A flat, right hand B, E flat, E, A flat. Come off the D flat, E flat to the E. So hit the D flat, hit the rest of the chord. Next I went to a B major 7 chord, left hand B, we're gonna call it G flat. Alright, right hand B, D flat, E flat, G flat. Alright, next chord, left hand B flat, G flat, right hand B flat, E flat, E, A flat. Alright, next chord is A7 sharp 11, A major 7 sharp 11. Left hand I got A and G sharp or A flat there. Right hand A, D sharp or E flat, alright, which is my sharp 11. E, and then G sharp or A flat up top. So walk into it like that. That's how I play it. Alright. Then you're gonna come down to this A flat 11. Left hand A flat, G flat. Right hand A flat, D flat, G flat. Alright. Hit the G. Come down to your F sharp. You can either G flat. Play it like this, or you can play it like this, depending on if you want that dissonance there. Alright, so left hand G flat, A flat. Alright, quite a stretch. If you can't play that far, just play the G flat and G flat. Alright, right hand, you can play A, E flat, E, and A flat. Alright, or you can play with the B right there, whichever you want. So you got right here. Alright. Hit the G, the E flat and G flat. And then your chord, so I got E flat, G flat on my left hand. Right hand, A flat, D flat, G flat. If you can't reach that G flat there, you can play it like that. Play your thumb with both of them. Alright, from here, you're gonna hit the E flat, and you're gonna go to this chord. Alright, so right there. So E flat, E flat, D flat, E flat, and then hit the chord. E flat on my left hand, right hand, A flat, A, D flat, G flat. And then you're gonna hit the both A flats. Alright, and then you're gonna play the tritone. C, F sharp or G flat, right hand, B flat, E flat, A flat. So real slow up to that point. Sorry. Alright, that's the first part. Then you're gonna walk it down from the A flat. A flat, A flat, G flat, E, E flat. And when you hit the D flat, you're gonna hit both of these D flats here. And then you're gonna hit this chord. Left hand A flat, right hand B, that same B flat, that same B chord. B, E flat, E, and A flat or G sharp. It's just the E major 7 chord inverted. So you got Alright, so next chord, A flat, E flat, right hand, G flat, B flat, B, E flat. And you're gonna hit the D flat again. Same chord. And this time hit the G flat, or the F, yeah, G flat. Alright, left hand, G flat, D flat, right hand, G flat, D flat, right hand, E, A flat, B flat, D flat. Alright, so we got alright. Then you're gonna go back to that same A7 sharp 11 chord. Alright. Hit the A flat and C. Alright, and then you're gonna come hit this chord. E flat, A flat with an 8 minute 7. So you're gonna be playing the A, you're gonna be playing the A flat 7 flat 9, I believe. So E flat, A flat, left hand, right hand, A, B, E flat, G flat. Alright. So you got hit the D flats again, walk it down, B, back to that same chord, B flat, A flat, and then you're gonna play this chord here, play all of it. So I got E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, on my left hand, but right hand, E flat and C. Alright, hit the D flats, and then you're gonna walk the scale. D flat, A flat, D flat, E flat, E, A flat, D flat, E flat, E, the same pattern. I end on the E right there. So. All right, hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know.